13.4 seventh one. A coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. If the coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution of number of tails. Here a coin is biased. See, if the coin is unbiased, probability of getting head equal to 1 by 2, probability of getting tail also 1 by 2. But here the coin is biased and the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. That means probability of occurring head is 3 times probability of getting tail. So that is what given. It is unbiased coin. And given that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. That means probability of occurring head is 3 times probability of occurring tail. So that is the speciality of this coin. Now what is the experiment? If the coin is tossed twice, so what is sample space? If the coin is tossed twice, what is sample space? S equal to H, T, H, T. So that is a sample space. So here, that is a sample space. Now, we have to find the probability distribution of number of tails. So what is the random variable? Probability distribution of number of tails. So that is the random variable. So x, you have to write the random variable. What is the random variable x? Random variable x is number of tails. So this is the sample space, the possible outcomes, x number of tails. So what can be the possible values of the random variable x? Number of tails can be possible values of x. Number of tails. In this case, there is no tail. Number of tails is 0. Here number of tails is 1. Here number of tails 1. Here number of tails 2. So these are the 0, 1, 2 are the possible values of the random variable x. Now we have to find the probability that x equal to 0, probability that x equal to 1, probability that x equal to 2. But here the case is different than the unbiased coin. Here probability of head and tail are different. So here you see, we have to, when you find probability that x equal to 0, that is probability of getting no tail, that means 0 tail, that means probability of getting both head, that is probability of HH. So it is, we cannot write 1 divided by total number, because here the these events are not equally likely. Probability of each element is different. That means probability of all the sample points are not equal. So in that case, separately you have to find the probability of each element. So you have to consider this probability. When you consider the tossing of a coin once, probability of head is 3 times probability of tail. And we know probability of head plus probability of tail equal to 1. So we can write probability of head plus probability of tail equal to 1. That is probability of head, we can substitute 3 probability of t. So 3 into probability of tail plus probability of tail equal to 1. 3 probability of tail plus 1 probability of t. That is 4 into probability of t equal to 1. That is probability of t equal to 1 by 4. And probability of h equal to 3 into 1 by 4. Probability of t 1 by 4. So probability of h 3 into 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. So this is the probability of head and probability of tail. So using this, we have to find the probability of x equal to 0. So now we can find the probability of x equal to 0. Probability that x equal to 0. That means probability of getting no tail, 0 tail. That is same as probability of HH. That is probability of HH. That is in the first, here coin is tossed twice. So first toss shows head and second toss also shows head. So probability of probability that first toss shows head is equal to what? So probability of getting H, that is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into second toss getting head, that is also 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, that is 9 by 16. That is probability of x equal to 0. The probability that x equal to 1, that is probability of ht plus probability of th. That means first toss shows head and second tail, or it can be first toss shows tail and second toss shows head. So both the probability we have to add. So probability of xt therefore probability that x equal to 1 equal to probability of ht plus probability of th. Probability of ht plus probability of th. So these two probabilities we have to add. What is the probability of ht? First coin shows head and second tail. First coin shows head. What is the probability of head? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into probability of getting tail, that is 1 by 4 plus. Now probability of getting tail 1 by 4 into probability of getting head, that is 3 by 4. So that is equal to 3 by 16 plus 3 by 16, that is equal to 6 by 60. So that is the probability of x equal to 1. Now probability that x equal to 2, that means 2 tails, number of tails 2, that is tt, probability of getting only tt. So probability of getting x equal to 2, that is probability of getting tt, both toss getting tail. So getting tail probability is 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 4 into second toss also getting tail. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. First tail 1 by 4, getting tail in the first toss 1 by 4 into probability of getting tail in the second toss, that is 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 60. So these are the probabilities. Possible values of x is 0, 1, 2. Probability that x equal to 0, 9 by 16. Probability that x equal to 1, 6 by 16. This is 1 by 16. So we have to write the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of number of tails. So we have to write the probability distribution. So probability distribution is write the write the values of x, then write the probability of x. Values of x 0, 1, 2. Then write the corresponding probability. Probability that x equal to 0, probability that x equal to 0, 9 by 16. Probability that x equal to 1, 6 by 16. Probability that x equal to 2, 1 by 16. So that is the probability distribution. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1, 16 by 16, 1. You can check the answer. Sum of the probability will be equal to 1. So that is the probability distribution. So this is special type of question, very important question also. Okay.